Did you know that the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world? It covers about 1/3 of the Earth's surface and is larger than all the other oceans combined. The Pacific Ocean is so big that it could fit all of the other continents inside of it, with room to spare. It's also home to a wide variety of marine life, including whales, dolphins, sharks, and fish. One of the most interesting things about the Pacific Ocean is its depth. The Mariana Trench, which is located in the western